Hey my gorgeous people, my name is Kanak and you're tuned into Britannia Dessert Carnival, where today I'll be showing you a very simple vanilla flavored dessert or custard, that is vanilla pudding. So let's get on to the recipe. So first up, in a saucepan without the flame on, I'm going to add in some sugar. Next I'm going to add some corn flour or the cornstarch and a pinch of salt to enhance this flavor. I'm going to simply mix everything together, and now I'm going to switch on the flame. And now slowly and gradually I'm going to add in the milk and keep whisking this mixture until it becomes thick. So after 2 to 3 minutes of whisking, you can see the bubbles are forming from the sides and it has started to thicken up. You can see this consistency and texture. This is how we want. It should be smooth and free from any kind of lumps in it. Next to this, I'm going to add some white chocolate. So here I've got some white chocolate which I've chopped. Just give it a slight mix so that the white chocolate nicely gets melted in the mixture. And I'm also going to add some fresh cream to it. And mix this as well along with the white chocolate. So just make sure that the white chocolate and the fresh cream should be nicely infused in this mixture, which will give you nice, smooth, creamy and velvety vanilla pudding. So these things are combined well. Next to this, I'm going to add in some butter. This will give that perfect gloss to our vanilla pudding. So today I'm using some unsalted butter because I've also used salt in this, but in case if you're using salted butter, you can skip the salt. Mix that as well and we'll just wait for the butter to melt in this. You can see it's got lovely shine because of the butter, and now this is done. I'm going to switch off the flame, and to this goes the vanilla essence. The most important ingredient, vanilla essence, because we are preparing vanilla pudding. And mix that as well with the mixture. So guys, it's as simple as that. It's ready to be poured in any glass, shot glasses or any bowls of your choice. So while it is still warm, you need to transfer this into any glass or any bowls of your choice, because it will start to set up once it comes down to room temperature. Just look at the creamy and rich texture of this vanilla pudding. So one glass is filled and I'm going to fill this up to the half, as this is a wide glass and it's perfect for individual serving. So these are ready to go into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or until nicely set. So our vanilla pudding is perfectly set. I'm going to garnish it with some chocolate sauce over it. Just spread it evenly all over to make a thick layer out of it. So today I'm using this chocolate sauce, but if you want, you can also use some strawberry crush. That also complements really well with this dish. So this chocolate sauce is nicely set on top. I'm going to finally beautify it with a mint leaf. So do prepare this for your loved ones and let me know how it turned out for you. Like, share and subscribe for more such festivities from Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy cooking. Bye-bye.